I'm here. It is about to be my birthday tomorrow, but it's today and we're celebrating tonight because at 12 a.m. I'm gonna be 21. But I'm going to be doing a 21st birthday hair makeup outfit. I just got out the shower, as you guys can tell. Don't you just love birthdays? Yay! So it's September 24th right now. Obviously this isn't going up on my birthday, but there will be another video going up on my birthday, which will be this hair transformation. If you want to watch, I'll link down below in all my other videos. But I can't wait to do my makeup because it's my birthday. So your girl gonna turn on the studio lights so you can get some more light up in here, and we gonna start. This is another relaxing video for you guys to just casually enjoy, and we're just gonna talk because it's my 21st birthday. This is nothing extra. I will link down below the products I use, but this is just like you guys are getting ready with me, and this is my 21st birthday hair, makeup, and outfit. You know, we chilling. Like, I know I have a lot of B-Day twins out there in this world. If you're wondering what's on my head, it is like a braid net, so it like protects it at night. You put this on, then you put your bonnet on, so it's like a braid bonnet for just the ends. Or my head is so big that it's supposed to be for your whole head, but it can't fit. I get to see my friend Andy, my best friend Andy. Like, literally, we met my junior year of high school, and I remember Andy. Like, I remember it so clear. I was like, OMG, she's so pretty, I want to be her friend. And I remember she said that she thought I was mean because my eyebrows were so sharp and dramatic at the time. Who would have guessed that we would end up being the friends after cosmetology? Out of all those crazy friendships in there, who would have guessed that me and Andy would be friends? How we became friends? I did her prom makeup. That's how it all started. We weren't even close in school. It's so weird. Like, we were close, we would talk and stuff, but you know, we were both like quiet, low-key individuals. We was low-key, but I did her prom makeup, and after that was a wrap. So I got this Essence Girls United lip gloss, and it's in High Shine by Essence Girls United. I got this at Ulta, and it's like a really good lip gloss. It's a nude color, and I love it. So I put Vaseline on. I'm putting this on top. I really, really love it. All right, so now we're going to start this everything. So I'm going to fill in my brows and stuff. I will be going to my friend's college. They're throwing like a house party for me. I don't want to talk much though. I want to just get ready and talk to y'all and just do my makeup and just chill. So enjoy. Here's my brows. I'm using Anastasia brow powder. I recently got all this new MAC stuff. God blessed me today with these eyebrows on fleek. But it's also this thing called homecoming at my friend's college. So it's when like everybody who graduated and who goes to the school come together, and they're all coming together. So everyone's going to be there today. So it's pretty lit. I'm about to hold on to that though. I really like this. And now that I'm actually like 21 in about like at 12 a.m. It's pretty lit. It's like now I could just go into the club. I don't gotta have no makeup on. But I look 21 though. I'm 21. Like, I look 21. I act 21. I sound like I'm 21. 21. I mean, what can I say, honestly? At this point, it's like I'm 21. I'm grown. I don't gotta worry about what nobody say. I could go to the store and buy a drink. Yo, I could buy a drink. I don't have to be sitting there scared to go places. I could go anywhere I want. I'm 21. What you talking about? Hello. Ha. Hello, what you talking about? Y'all, I'm so excited to get there though. I'm so excited. I have not seen Andy since summertime. And it's September. I'm actually getting so excited now that I'm doing my makeup, so I have to hurry up. Okay. All I can really do is scream and jump for joy, to be honest. I cannot wait to see my friend, the realest one to me in this world, who is not family. And that's just really a fact. I just don't know what to tell you. The proof is in the actions. I ain't having no beat face because it's my birthday, girl. I'm 21. I can do what I want. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Hey. What does that have to do with this? I don't know. Because I'm 21 and I'm a savage. Yes. Because I'm 21 and I'm a savage. What am I on? I'm just hyped. Like, I need to go. I need to get out of here. These people are mad. I'm taking forever. I was supposed to get there at 7. I'm running late. I had to upload that video for tomorrow. Like, I put y'all so first. Like, I gotta put y'all before. Like, I gotta put y'all, like, God first. Then it's like I have to upload a YouTube video. Like, it's God first, obviously family, my mom, family, friends, but then it's like y'all is family. Like, I have to upload. So it was all an equal tie. I just had to get it done for everybody. 2121. So shout out to YouTube for adding a beauty tab, or I think it's a fashion tab. Like, that's raw, because now it's gaming. If you go to trending, it's gaming, movies, YouTube. Oh no, it's not YouTube. Wait, I don't care. They gave us a main tab and there's only 5. That shows you how major this industry is on YouTube, and it's not going nowhere. And you don't see that for everything that's on YouTube. So I'm very happy that they added that, because YouTube is really a powerful force for fashion ideas, hair, makeup tutorials. I mean, everyone's on YouTube. Even like designers, you know, everyone's on YouTube. YouTube is it. I love this makeup for under the eyes. It really looks so good, and it's so matte. It never like creases or, you know, gets old on me. I'm going in with my Kylie contour, which I love, and this is in the darkest one. So you clearly need some more shades, because I'm not the darkest. Like, people are the shade of this. I don't care. There might be more online, but this, how is this? Look, y'all need some more shades, period. Not to be rude, but I don't, like, I'm the darkest shade of the options. But I do really like it a lot. So that's why I say they need more shade. My makeup's already almost done. This is amazing. Determination will get it done faster. Let us go into the Deck of Scarlet Dream palette. I'm going to link down below a different palette probably for y'all to use the highlighter. This palette is so old, but I use it for highlighter and blush. But I'll link down something for you guys that I love, because this is like, I don't think you could buy this anymore. It's my favorite one that they ever had. So I'm really going in with the highlighter today because it's my birthday. Is that extra? Look, girl. We gonna highlight today. Bring the light to them cheeks, baby. Someone had the audacity to tell my mom that they was living their best life the other day. And then it was in a rude way. Girl, bye. You're not. Thank you. Don't come from my mom. Anyone will get roasted. Anyone. And everyone. Okay, highlight under the brow. I said, girl, you're not. Only a few people in this world are living their best life. Not even me. I know I got more to live, so you better quit playing. Period. Because my life is getting better. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Ayy, ooh, I like that. Ayy. Okay, so now I need blush. Again, I'm using my Deck of Scarlet palette, but you do you. I made it seem like I'm beating my face by adding extra blush, but I'm really not. Jeez. Ah! I'm so excited. I'm seeing my friends. This is my mood daily, by the way. I'm going to the Jackie Aina palette. Okay, she got some fire colors up in there, as you already know. Jackie's palette is hot. You need this palette. I don't think it will hurt you to get this palette, period. So I put ginger. Ginger in the crease. Yes. Shout out to Jackie's palette. Shout out to Jackie Aina. Seriously. Look, I'm hyped. It's my 21st birthday. It's my 21st birthday using her palette. So we're going to go into the crease with the color Now. It is called Credit. Get your credit up. You do not want that low credit score. Period. Y'all got to get y'all credit up. Anybody has to. I encourage it. It's always nice to have a better credit score. Anyone should get their credit up right now. As I'm speaking. Just do it. Okay, I don't even know what color's on this, but it's going here now because I had to remove that. And now this is happening. I love her for these names. Edges. Put that on the lid. You know, I knew I was going to look nice on my birthday, but I didn't know my eyes were about to look like a birthday cake. Cake, 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 cake. Don't you wanna put your name on it? Yeah. Shout out Rihanna, we love her. Shout out Fenty. That's what I use. I use the Fenty foundation. Now that's fire. Then I'm gonna just go on a little bit here. I look good, baby. Woo! It's my 21st birthday. Come on, let me be hollering. Let me talk my trash. Please. Now I'm gonna go on with credit, because credit, gotta get your credit up. We're gonna put that underneath the eyes to smoke it out on the bottom with the top. I worked hard for y'all. I love y'all. That's why I got that video ready for y'all on my birthday, before my birthday. That's a grind right there. I love y'all. Just know that. Carla crew, see you. Whew, calm down, calm down. I did not think it was gonna look this good. I was not expecting this. I literally wasn't. I didn't even think I was gonna be doing my makeup like this. It just happened. It's just God. It's the only explanation. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and brighten the inner corners with the color of the, in this palette called Soleil. It's like this one. Soleil. And just put it right there. Where's the visa? Where's the check? Boy, I'm too bad right now. Where's the visa? That's all I want to know. Where is it at? Where is the visa? Where is it? Okay, now I'm about to highlight with this other shade underneath my eyes, just right under the eyes. Just look, it's extraness. It's all extra today. All the links will be down below to get this look. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Y'all, when they see me, they just gonna wanna be me. It's my 21st birthday. Whew, I got my folder here, ready to blow dry my face. Like I always do this. I've had this folder for a minute now. Look how cute it is. Hashtag foundation. All right, so I'm in love with Chipotle. I got it for the low, low. Everybody gonna be my boyfriend. Okay, everyone's going to want to be it. Everyone's gonna want to be my boyfriend after this. And that is a fact. Hello. Okay, ready? Woo! They mad, got them braids back, ain't they? Yes, they are. They're mad that I got this hair back. Yes, they are. They thought I was so bad with short hair. But girl, the long hair is back. Beware. Because I'm coming. I'm about to have a boyfriend. Woo! I want to do is leave me alone for a second. I'm not going to lie. Like, just because I'm an IG baddie does not mean I have the time of day for you. Because you're trying to do whatever you're trying to do in your life. Period. That's all I got to say about it. You see that brow? And this mouth? Do it look like I have time of day? No. But now they know that now because I shaved my head off in my life. They know I did not come to play. That facial mist spray will have you right, by the way. And then go back in with a little bit of the extra Urban Decay. I'm in love with Panera. Ay. So after that, I always like to get rid of a little bit of the highlight on my nose. Maybe the brow. I'm screaming for what, honestly. So my outfit is like ready. Now what I have to do is put on my eyelashes. My eyelashes are from Beauty Art Culture. I will link these down below. These are the New York glasses. What? These are the New York lashes. I love New York. And flexible and easy to put on. Like not even going too front. New York lashes from Beauty Art Culture. So gorgeous. New York lashes. Hey, these is fire. Like I could sleep in these lashes. Like I never do that and I could. Obsessed. Wow. Birthday girl is happy. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm coming back at you guys with mascara and lips. Alright y'all, so now we're gonna put on the mascara. So I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion. I love this mascara. Then I'm gonna put on the other lash. Perfect. I said some what is wrong with me? My Cork lip liner, my Velvet Teddy lipstick, and now my Essence Girls United lip gloss, which is so nice. It's a nude color. This is a power nude. Fire. Essence Time Ulta Girls United. Super cute. Now For the hair, this is the easier part. I said easier. Let me put all this makeup that I'm bringing with me in here. Gosh. I need my setting spray. I need my earrings. So I'm about to put in my earrings. And then I'm just like putting on edge control from Beauty Art Culture. This is the best edge control ever. It is, our edge control set promotes growth, holds edges and hair firmly in place with a super holding power without flakiness. Leaves edges looking super healthier and feeling shinier than before. Whew. Leaving it looking and feeling healthier and shinier than before. Whew. It smells so good. Another reason why I want you guys to get this because it smells so good too. And it obviously slicks the edges down crazy flat. So I'll have that link down below as well. But I'm going to go get my earrings and cop back at y'all. Earrings are on. Birthday top is on. I'm about to catch this super awesome lighting over there. But for the hair, yes. We're going to put on my edge control. And it's so bomb, y'all. Like literally. So I'm going to just slick this edge down here. And it's not flaky, which I really like. Just to redirect my edges in the area I want it to be. We're going to put some here. Just control them babies. Edge controlled. I'm going to take this scarf that I have and lay my edges down. For 2 seconds. I wish I could do it for longer, but I gotta catch this lighting. Y'all, I'm ready to catch this lighting. I do not care. Okay, I just took off my edge scarf. And now I'm gonna just take off this little thing I got. I put in a ponytail. Because y'all probably want to see my hair too. I realized I had that thing on. And here's my B-Day hair, y'all. So it's inspired by, obviously, Beyonce. And that's the picture I showed her, and she killed it. And I will link down below the 12-hour transformation video, because it literally took the whole day from day to night to get this look. But you have to do what you have to do for your birthday, and you know, beauty is time. And it takes time to get this. Okay, now I'll come at you guys with my outfit. Alright, y'all, so I have on this top, which is from Windsor. This one I already put on. I'm about to show y'all my hair, though. I really want to show you guys my hair. So this hair, like I said, is from the 12-hour hair transformation. I will pop the thumbnail up over here, and you guys can watch that 12-hour hair transformation video. It's super bomb for my 21st birthday hair. I love it, and I want to thank everybody for the happy birthday wishes. If you subscribe for my birthday, that's awesome too. You can turn my bell notifications and all. But I'm going to show you my outfit because this is not even it. So this is just the hair. I want to show you guys how long it is. It literally goes all the way to my bum. And you guys have to see that process, that transformation. Like, look at this. What? And this is the top I'm wearing from Windsor. It fits me absolutely perfectly. I got an extra small. I normally get a small, but I wanted to really have it fit. So it's extra small. The bottoms are a small Nike Pro. This is what I was chilling in. So if y'all want to look cute, get some Nike Pro. But I will have this linked down below to these Nike Pros, whatever. Everything will be linked down below. And it's the moment of truth, though. Y'all have no idea how this outfit's about to come together. I went to Windsor the other day, and it's about to be flame. So let me put it on. You guys are not gonna be able to believe this, seriously. Bottoms are from Windsor, very sophisticated, and it kind of looks like a corset to me. That's why I really like it. And then the top is also from Windsor, and I got the bottoms in a small, top in extra small. I'm always a small on bottoms, and I'm always a small on tops, but I got the extra small for that very, very tight fit. And then my bag is Michael Kors. So I will try to find everything for you and link it down below. I appreciate you all so much for the support. It means the world. And thank you in advance for all of the birthday wishes. Thank you, seriously. And enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.